Consuming acacia fiber or gum arabic is easy and safe. To begin, take 1 tablespoon of acacia fiber powder and mix it into a glass of lukewarm water, about 200 milliliters. Stir the mixture with a spoon for 1 to 3 minutes until the gum arabic is fully dissolved. Drink the contents on an empty stomach 30 minutes before you have eaten breakfast and again in the evening before bed. The recommended dose of acacia fiber for adults is 1.76 ounces, or 50 grams, a day. You can take it in either powder or traditional ball form. If you are using ball form, it may take up to 4 to 5 hours for the gum arabic to completely dissolve in the glass, so be sure to stir the mixture regularly until then. To expedite the process, you can crush the gum arabic balls into smaller pieces using a clean cloth and hammer. While conventional wisdom suggests avoiding excessive fiber intake, studies have found that there is no harmful effect from consuming too much fiber apart from benign gastrointestinal symptoms such as bloating or gas. Therefore, gum arabic can be taken every day without worry. For maximum benefit and minimal side effects, however, the recommended dosage should not be exceeded. Thanks to its 100% natural origins, gum arabic is incredibly safe and can be taken daily for long periods of time, at least 365 days a year, with no chance of permanent adverse side effects. For those looking to gain the beneficial nutritional qualities of acacia fiber safely and easily, Vital Fiber 1 is an ideal choice.